This coming November 20th marks World Children's Day, a day designated by the United Nations to honor and protect the rights of children around the world. World Children's Day is a global day of action for children, by children, marking the adoption of the Convention on the Rights of the Child. In recognition of this important occasion, First Class Hannam has prepared a special lecture on November 17th, celebrating the voices, dreams, and potential for our next generation. The target age group of First Class Hannam is junior students aged 10 to 15. However, we surprisingly found that many high school students who lack time due to the college entrance exam were also interested in taking this special lecture. Therefore, this special lecture is designed specifically for 10 to 18-year-olds. A current visiting research fellow at Ewha Women's University prepared a special lecture for junior students. This distinguished scholar holds a bachelor's, master's, and PhD in history from Yale University. He has previously served at Brown, Yale, and Columbia University. Part 1 has been specifically designed for junior students aged 10 to 12, including both Korean and international participants. Why do we need to know world history and geography to become a diplomat? Why should we start at age 10? Do you know of an easier and more fun way to study? When is World Children's Day designated by the UN? Part 2 has been specifically designed for junior students aged 13 to 15. Why do we need to know world history and geography to become a diplomat? Do you know of an easier and more fun way to study? How can we create our own history in the age of AI? Do you know the UN Veterans International Memorial Day? Part 3 has been specifically designed for junior students aged 16 to 18. Why do we need to know world history and geography to become a diplomat? What are the benefits of majoring in history in college? Do you want to understand the roots of conflicts around the world? We are all public diplomats, and we can also become first-class diplomats. Students who have attended our special lecture will be awarded a certificate. Please RSVP at your earliest convenience, and we look forward to seeing you at this enriching event. Thank you. For detailed information on this special lecture, please refer to the flyer attached here, or you may visit our website www.first-class-hannam.com for registration. We lead a paradigm shift in education on diplomat training and international law from adults to preteens and teenagers. First Class Hannam, First Class Diplomats. The background music you are listening to now is Flying, performed by Steve Barakat. The contents of the First Class Hannam brand profile introduced today are registered with the Korea Copyright Commission. So, we inform you that the copyright belongs to First Class Hannam, and unauthorized reproduction is prohibited without the permission of the copyright owner, founder, and representative, Sophie Kong. Here is our contact information. Thank you. This was First Class Hannam.